Did he?
Oh,
Just put a
yeah.
chainsaw on a bike.
Oh goodness.
He's right in the bike, get curved and like just.
Or get a predator mode.
You have little fat cats, if you know what those are.
One more
They're
time?
little dirt bikes. They're like little dirt bikes with huge tires on them.
Yeah.
And we rode those around too.
This weekend?
Yeah.
They go pretty quick. Yeah.
We went up to a Cavalier. Rode around.
Oh, okay. Okay, these aren't in your notes. We're just gonna talk about this quick. If you wanted to get x by itself here, what would you do?
You multiply it by 32.
No, you said
freshman year. Get it.
yeah. You would subtract 4, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
By 32.
What about this one?
Divide by
Yes.
4.
Okay. What about this last one?
Square root it.
Okay.
7.
So operations that undo each other, we have a special name. You guys know what we call those?
Perfect squares.
One is one of them, but not perfect squares. Anyone else? So like adding and subtracting undo each other. Multiplying, dividing undo each other. You know what we call those?
What?
Starts with an I.
Inverse.
Yeah, inverse relationships. So they're inverse operations. So we have to use that
No,
to help us find missing angle measures. So we're looking for angle A today. Rounds to the nearest degree. So it starts off the same thing that we've been doing. Mark your angle.
That's 52.
I think it's close to 52. Now we still label our sides. So what is 7? Opposite. What is 10?
Adjacent.
Adjacent. Okay, now we look over here. Which one uses opposite adjacent?
Sin.
Tangent. So before we would have an angle measure here, but now since we don't know what it is, we're going to call it A. And now we write our fraction. So what would our fraction be?
7 over 10.
Okay, so now remember, our goal is to get A by itself. So how do I get rid of a tangent?
Divide by.
It's kind of what you want to do. We take the inverse of it. So do you guys see in your calculator how you have tan -1?
Nope.
I can pass those out. I'm sorry, you guys.
No.
I'll bring them to you.
I lack maths. Oh
Okay.
no, not the cherry.
That's okay. They all work.
Oh,
So you're gonna have to hit shift or second on all your calculators.
shit.
So do you press 10?
No, first hit second or shift,
Negative.
and then hit tangent. And now do you guys see how it has the -1 by it?
Yeah.
And now type in 7 divided by 10. And hopefully you get. So should we go to 35 since we have the whole nearest whole everything?
0.99.
What, buddy?
Any more calculators?
No, I can show you how to use your phone quick though. It's easy.
I can throw this one over to you.
Will you have one?
Yeah.
A calculator?
I have a phone.
I have a calculator, there's another one.
But you don't have a calculator.
Oh, okay, ready?
So
So.
what's the
I don't have a calculator.
That's dark.
And now type in, go back.
Mhm.
So don't remember.
Yep, now 7 divided by 10.
My computer has been charged for like 2 minutes.
Okay, let's try another one, children.
I think my computer's probably.
So same thing, going from angle A, mark your angle.
Opposite and
Huh?
hypotenuse.
Are you guys okay with opposite and hypotenuse on this one?
Yep.
It's same.
Opposite, hypotenuse.
Do we have to reduce?
No, don't reduce. So we take sine, inverse, and then what's our fraction?
6 over 12.
Good job. And now it's just calculator work, just type it in.
30.
30.
That's it.
That's like perfect 30.
Okay, you guys get a head start on the last one. We'll compare. Don't blurt it out yet.
15. I don't know what it is.
Imagine.
Actually, 55.
More than 15, less than 90.
I swear you're a John.
Remember, going from angle A, label your sides.
Did I do this right?
This is so much nicer than trying to figure out the other.
The sides. It's a lot easier.
Do we round up?
Yep, go to the nearest degree. I'm hoping you use cosine, right?
Don't say it out loud.
Hold on. It's 37.
No, it's not. She said that, and I get in trouble every time I say the answer out
Do you
loud.
get in trouble, Aiden?
Yeah, you're like, don't say it.
I bet I do sound like that, don't I?
You're like, go to the principal's office right now. We're getting expelled.
Do we get an answer? I know what it is.
37.
Do we agree with 37?
Yeah.
Yes.
No.
Actually, no.
Yeah, it's 37.
Oh my gosh, that's funny.
Yeah.
I forgot to say this, but over the weekend, I literally got hit with the pitches like 3 times.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Are you like all bruised?
Kind of. Just
Sore at least?
Yeah.
Poor thing.
It hurts so bad.
Yeah. I'm thankful that you guys wear those like face protectors when you're out in the field.
Yeah.
I can imagine like getting a softball to the face would
Oh,
be terrible.
hurts so bad.
The worst.
Just look out, baby.
Okay.
So we're all doing this.
Yeah, but let's find the next real worksheet. It's the definition decoder one. Yeah, we're just gonna do this side of it today. It's tanish. The definition decoder. Behind that one. Definition decoder.
Oh,
shit.
we have to
Did you
do
turn this
two.
in?
No, just this side.
And wait, did we have to turn this in a while ago? Oh, I'm sorry. I forgot about that.
Definition.
I want you to show me one step. So will you at least show me like what you're typing into your calculator?
What
Is
if
that
we show
okay?
you two steps?
That's fine. You can show me as many steps as you want, but at least one. But can we jump down to number or letter S, the airplane one?
Number S.
Well, then we use the letters on this one. This airplane one, right there. Let's do this one together because it's kind of weird. Once everyone gets here.
Is there any other weird ones in this one?
No, this is the only goofy one. All the other ones you can just label and type it into your calculator.
Do I have a different worksheet? This
Yeah,
is
you
just
can.
destroyed.
This is why you need folders, dude.
I have my big brother gun into my backpack.
Why would you play ghost?
It was.
Okay,
He's like 4 years old.
so we're going from angle S. Let's label our sides. What's 1,000?
1,000.
Correct. Opposite, thank you, sir. And what's 2.7?
Jason.
Adjacent.
I thought that'd be the height.
Oh, it is the height.
I was gonna say.
My fault.
Sin.
Okay.
Okay, but before you type it in your calculator though,
Oh.
do you see how we have feet and miles? We don't have the same unit.
Yeah.
So we need to convert to one.
Let's convert the feet to miles.
This one to miles,
No, let's convert the miles to feet.
this one to feet.
No.
So we have to take 2.7, you are just being ridiculous. 2.7 times 5,280. Someone tell me what we get.
3.
Times.
14,256.
I got that.
256?
Yeah.
Alright, so instead of using 2.7 now,
1, 4.
you can tell it's Monday for me. Holy moly here. Okay, so you have to write sine inverse 1,000.
Room too much stuff. There's no room.
Okay, let me know what you guys get.
Can we just put 1K
What, buddy?
for 1,000?
Well, it's not, you can't type that in your calculator though.
4.02237. Wait.
So about 4
46,
degrees?
47.
Yeah.
So if you, I think you should do the riddle just to make sure you're doing it right. So everywhere you see 4 up here, 4 degrees, you put an S. S.
On top of
On the, yep, anywhere you see 4 degrees up here on the riddle, put SF, an
Are there
S.
gonna be spaces?
I think there are spaces.
Miss Bunny.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yep. Are you guys okay to get rocking from there?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna stop recording and I'm going.
Oh.